Brightline is the first privately owned and funded intercity passenger rail system in the United States in over 100 years. The last person who did this was Henry Flagler back at the end of the 18th century. So we're an intercity passenger train that connects Central Florida, Orlando, we're at the Orlando airport, to South Florida, where we have 5 stops: Miami, Aventura, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, and West Palm Beach. 5 stops in South Florida. So we're connecting the 235 miles of travel time between South Florida and Central Florida with hourly train service. So this is pretty meaningful because there really is no other way to connect between South Florida and Central Florida other than by car. And it's a long, sometimes dangerous, unpredictable journey. So what we're trying to do is, really, this is the first intercity passenger rail system in the United States that fulfills the obligation or the mission of connecting densely populated city centers along a congested highway. You know, too long to drive, too short to fly. A train is a perfect solution for that. We think there's lots of corridors around the United States that would be perfect for this, but we're starting in Florida, and this service is getting ready to open in the next handful of months.
Perfect. And what would it look like, say, travel time-wise from Miami to Orlando on the train?
So the time from South Florida to Central Florida is about 3 hours, depending on which station you're getting on and off. But it's a convenient, eco-friendly, snack and beverage-filled, strong Wi-Fi, productive, eco-friendly, as I said, trip. So, you know, in contrast to driving that route where you got to stop, you know, you may or may not find parking at a rest stop. You may or may not have to stand in line at a fast food joint for 45 minutes to get something to eat or drink. You're on a train. We're serving food and beverage in the station. We're serving food and beverage on board the train. There are restrooms, of course, on the train. There's great Wi-Fi. It's just a way more convenient and stress-free way to travel.